The shadow is a trick where it has a total of 1.5 revolutions and it looks like this. 0.5 of this trick is done between the fingers in the beginning. The second 0.5 is done by spinning on top of the hand, and then afterwards the pen or pencil is caught between the fingers again, and then the remaining 0.5 is completed. To begin, locate the pen or pencil's center of balance. Take the center of balance, place it between the index finger and the middle finger. Place it just below the center of balance. Notice that there are no other fingers holding on to any other part of the pen or pencil. Now, to begin, have the blue part, or we'll refer to as the front, point away from you. Begin by lowering the index finger and raising the middle finger. This will cause the pen or pencil to rotate in this direction. This will begin the first 0.5 revolutions. When the back part of the pen or pencil, or in this case the red part, points away from you, have it slip out between the middle finger and the index finger, like so. Now the pen or pencil is completely on top of the hand. When this happens, lower the middle finger, have it level, and let it spin on top. Where it spins is irrelevant. It can spin either the index finger, middle finger, or anywhere else, depending on where you want the pen to land. Have it spin for 0.5 revolutions. When the back side, or the red part, is pointing towards you, and the blue part, or the front part of the pen or pencil, is pointing away from you, once again, when it's getting close to this point, lift the index finger. It will slip back in, like so. Lower the index finger and make it level with the middle finger. In doing this, you will create the final 0.5 revolutions. This is the ending position. Notice that the blue part is now facing towards you, and that the red part, or the back part of the pen or pencil, is pointing away from you. Once more. There are several problems with learning the shadow. First of all, a lot of people complain about the slipping. Slipping out of the fingers requires a lot of practice, especially if you have trained in the charge beforehand. You will be tempted to have the pen just stay between the fingers at all times. However, you need to train the finger, the index finger especially, to just remain down and have the pen slip out, like so. Another problem is keeping the pen or pencil spinning on top of the hand. Sometimes it falls down, sometimes it falls too much to the other sides than what you desire. A way to help this is to continuously practice, and while practicing, take notice of the tilt of your hand. Is it tilting too much to this side, or is it tilting too much to this side? Try to have it as level as possible. One more thing to notice is that a shadow is still a shadow no matter where it begins and ends. This means that you can have a shadow beginning between the index finger and the middle finger and ending in either the middle finger, the ring finger, the pinky, or even the thumb and the index finger. Likewise, you can have it start between here and end here, or here, or here. All that requires for it to be called a shadow is that it has 1.5 revolutions total. And you have a shadow. The shadow reverse is the same thing as the shadow normal, except that instead of spinning in this direction, it is spinning in the opposite direction. To begin, locate the pen and pencil center of balance, place it between the index finger and the middle finger. Have it slanted like so. Notice that from before, in the shadow normal, it is slanted like so, to give it room to spin. Likewise, since this is reverse, you will simply take it to the opposite side. Have the index finger down and the middle finger up. To begin the push, the first 0.5 revolutions, lower the middle finger and raise the index finger simultaneously, so that you will cause the pen or pencil to move in this direction. Once again, when the front of the pen or the blue part reaches towards you, let it slip out. Once it slips out, lower the index finger down to make it level with the middle finger. Have it spin for 0.5 revolutions. Once the red or the back part of the pen or pencil is pointing towards you and the front part is pointing away from you, prepare to catch the pen. Lift the middle finger up, have it slip back inside the slot, catch it, then proceed by lowering the middle finger and raising the index finger at the same time, so that it causes the pen or pencil to complete the remaining 0.5 revolutions. Again, notice how the back part or the blue part is pointing towards you and the red part is pointing away from you. Once again, a shadow reverse.